Hi guys, in this video we will see how to add a chart on your Google Docs page. You can easily add a chart or diagram to your Google Docs page. Open Google Docs page and here from the top menu bar go to Insert tab, click on it, and here you will find chart and a 4 option available: bar type chart, column chart, line chart and pie chart. So choose as per your choice, either bar, column, line or pie, and you have all. This is the chart from where you can easily edit or adjust as per your choice in your Google Docs page. Various type of option available. You can crop image, replace image, insert link, comments and various other features are also available here. Suggest, insert emojis, save to, keep, change page to landscape, select all, matching text. So use adding chart option in Google Docs page. That's all.